What if I told you, the best outdoor security camera of 2025 isn't from Ring or Arlo? After testing 27 cameras, I'm revealing the top 5 that actually catch thieves, including a $99 hidden gem with military-grade night vision. But warning, number 4 could leave your home vulnerable if installed wrong. Stay until the end, because the number 1 pick shocked even me. All purchase links? Check the description. Number 1. Eufy Security SoloCam S340. Enhanced dual camera clarity at 50 feet, capture every event that occurs around your home in ultra-clear 3K resolution. See exactly who is approaching your home with 8 times zoom. Note, the max resolution will be 2K when using AI tracking or dual views. Solar-powered, install once and it runs forever. Experience constant peace of mind with this solar-powered security camera that's easy to set up and always on, thanks to its removable solar panel. 360 degrees Guardian, no blind spots. Say goodbye to blind spots with full home coverage by installing the product vertically. Enjoy 360 degrees pan and tilt surveillance. Check your front porch, monitor your backyard, and keep an eye on the driveway with ease. Versatile installation, effortless setup. Experience the convenience of a 5-minute installation with its compact size and wire-free design. Rest assured service, you can enjoy a worry-free experience, all backed by our professional customer service team. Local * storage, no monthly fee, one-time purchase. No monthly fee or hidden costs. Number 2. Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor. This outdoor camera wireless is easy to use without complicated wiring and power outlets, and the built-in rechargeable battery will last for 1 to 5 months use on a single charge. IP66 waterproofing allows the camera to work in any weather, and it can be mounted virtually anywhere with the supplied bracket and screws for worry-free installation. * only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. 2K high resolution and full color night vision. The outdoor camera comes with 2K HD resolution, equipped with state-of-the-art color night vision technology and dual light source night vision. There are 2 options for full color night vision and infrared night vision. With 2 PIR LED and 2 white lights, you can see amazing night vision even in dim light. PIR/AI motion detection and real-time alarm notification. The security camera outdoor utilize highly efficient PIR motion detection technology to monitor activity in your home in real time. Powered by advanced AI technology, they intelligently analyze captured footage and distinguish between people, pets, packages and vehicles. Receive real-time alerts on your smartphone to ensure you receive timely and accurate notifications while avoiding false alarms. Two-way talk and smart instant siren. Built-in two-way microphone and speaker allow you to make smooth and clear two-way calls to visitors at your door. You can send verbal warnings or have a conversation. Camera support siren, flashing white light or two-way talk which can let you drive away thieves and unwanted visitors. Number 3. WYZE Cam Pan V3. Monitor every detail with sharp 1080p HD video. Control this security camera remotely via the WYZE app, using 360 degrees pan and 180 degrees tilt for complete indoor-outdoor coverage. Set 4 automated waypoints to scan key zones effortlessly. IP65 weatherproof and extreme temperature ready. Built for harsh conditions, this outdoor security camera, IP65 rated, withstands rain, snow, and heat/cold, requires outdoor power adapter. Reliable year-round protection for driveways, yards, or as a discrete indoor camera. AI motion tracking for pets and security. Advanced detection auto-follows movement, like pets, intruders, or family, with smooth tracking. Ideal pet camera for monitoring playtime or securing entry points day/night. Silent operation and easy placement. Engineered for near-silent pan/tilt, this indoor camera won't disturb nurseries. Outdoors, with adapter, it's a quiet wireless outdoor camera for covert surveillance. Vivid color night vision. See nighttime details in full color, even in low light. Patrol dark driveways, yards, or dim rooms with this home security camera. No grainy footage, just clear, actionable visuals. Number 4. Arlo Pro 5S Spotlight. Watch, listen and talk. Monitor your home, property with 2K HDR video quality. Add additional cameras to your exterior and interior and connect them. Dual band Wi-Fi connects to the stronger network. See sharper details with 2K HDR, high dynamic range, video and zoom, everything in picture-perfect detail with the power to zoom 12x on every image to make out faces or license plates. HDR lets you view the brightest whites and the darkest blacks. Don't miss a moment with the Arlo Secure app. Get real-time notifications with motion activation and live video streaming in the Arlo app. Includes activating the siren remotely, color night vision, large field of view, 160 degrees, and integrated spotlight. Arlo protects your everything, including your privacy. At Arlo, we are as passionate about privacy as we are about safeguarding your home and family. Arlo is designed to keep your personal information private and in your control. Stay protected with swappable batteries. Quickly replace or recharge your battery so your camera is always on guard. Get more with an Arlo Secure plan. Paid plan required share and store video for up to 60 days. No more with personalized alerts for person and vehicle recognition, plus get alerts for packages, animals, and fire detection point superscript 1. Number 5. Ring Spotlight Cam Pro. Spotlight Cam Pro, upgraded protection for your home with advanced features like HDR, advanced 3D motion detection, bird's eye view and dual band Wi-Fi, 2.4 or 5.0 GHz. Never miss the details that matter. See every detail in brilliantly clear 2K with Ring's best image quality yet. They used a 140 degrees field of view and color night vision to see everything happening at home, no matter what time it is. Shine a light. Adjustable lighting helps you secure your home and keep dark walkways and corners well lit. Stay connected in the Ring app. Features like two-way talk with Audio Plus and motion notifications allow you to check on your home no matter where you are. Rechargeable battery. Easily power your device with the included quick-release battery pack. Sound the alarm. Sound the security siren on suspicious activity. See more. Know more. Protect more. Save your recorded videos for up to 180 days to rewatch anytime, get alerts for people and package, and so much more with a Ring Home subscription, sold separately. So, which camera will you trust to protect your home? Comment #1 if you want that 4K monster. If this video might save someone from a break-in, smash that like button. It helps families stay safe. Subscribe for more 2025 security tech secrets, and share this with your neighbors. Crime doesn't sleep. This is your sign to upgrade. Sleep tight.